Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. We left off yesterday with this beautiful clean shop, but today we're gonna mess it up again. I mentioned this yesterday, but I should mention it again. We're going to start off by getting this pocket right here insulated, but it's too cold in this back corner. That's why I put this in there. I'm going to put the heater on that, warm this up a bit, get my insulation down there, and then when I go around to foam everything, I'll start here. It'll be nice and warm back here, and it's already pretty warm over that way. All right, I have one piece of foam down in the bottom there. The other one is right here. This is warming up. It was 40 degrees. I want it to be about 65, and that's not going to take very long. So now, this is the last of my long foam. I can put one down in the bottom of each of these. These are the last two pockets. And then I can either use a bunch of little stuff, but I don't think I will. I have these two 4x4 sheets. What I'm going to do is cut this down into 4 strips and put 2 in each one of them. So I got a little cutting to do, and then we'll get those pockets filled. Okay, getting ready to put some Xcluder rat guard in here, or whatever it's called, pest guard, something like that. The brand name is Xcluder. Getting ready to put it in there, but I wanted to show how big some of these openings are. A mouse could get in that easy, possibly a rat, I'm not sure, but we'll get that completely filled up. Right at the bottom of the board is ice. Once that thaws in the spring, there's probably going to be something living under this, maybe, maybe not, but they're not going to come up into the building. All right, I'm all ready to go. I have from that spot right there, got that one, this whole bay, this whole bay, this one, and the one I'm heating up down here. I may not have enough foam, but I think it'll make it. This is the only one I need light for, so as soon as I'm done with this, I'm gonna blast my way around the corner and see if I can get the whole thing done. As soon as I was done foaming, I ran to the dump, and now I'm back and everything is looking good. Got to clean this area up now and see what time it is. It is already past 3. I have less than an hour left in the day. So what I think I'll do with the limited time I have left today is figure out how much more of this fiberglass insulation I'm going to need. We definitely don't have enough. I'm going to need it for this wall as well, and I'm going to need it for that little office over there as well, but I think we can wait for the next sale on that. We need to get the stuff for the main room here on this sale. So I'm going to do that, and I'll get back with you when I'm done. Yeah, not a lot of melt going on when the sun is covered by the clouds. All right, let me get this done. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it sounds like it's raining, but I can't see anything. It's got to be like a real tiny hail or something. Can you hear that? Huh. Let's take a look out the back here. Oh, yeah, it's just tiny little flakes. But they must be hard because you can hear it on the roof. All right, that's odd. Okay, that's going to wrap it up. This is going to be a real short video, but it is what it is. So tomorrow I will be running to town and getting materials. I may run twice tomorrow, so it's going to be quite the busy day. And then I'll be stacking all that stuff up right here so I can work around the edge. Should be pretty interesting. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.